In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change PDF to Word. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the methods. The first method is convert with the Word program. To do this, we go to search section and open Word. After opening Word, we drop the file we want to convert the Word format into Word. After dropping the file, a notification appears like this. We click OK and continue. After clicking OK, the PDF file will be automatically converted to Word format. The length of this process varies according to the file size. Our PDF file is now in Word format. When we are done using the file, we press Ctrl and S keys at the same time, and then select the location where we want to save it and click Save. This way, we can easily convert our PDF file to Word format. If you are not satisfied with Word's result, we will move on to the second method. Also, don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. The second method is change it over the internet. This method will be better than the result we get from Word. To do this, we type PDF to Word in the search bar. As a result, many sites come out. I tried the others and the most successful one is I Love PDF site. It gives both faster and more accurate results. But you can also prefer other sites if you want. After entering the I Love PDF site, click Select PDF file. If you want, you can drop the PDF you want to convert here. After clicking Select PDF file, we select our PDF file and then click Open. You can convert multiple PDFs to Word if you want. Click Convert to Word to continue. This process will take time depending on the file size, just like in Word. After the conversion process is finished, our Word file will be downloaded automatically. If the download does not start, you can download it manually by clicking Download Word. You can also copy the link of the converted PDF file and share it with other people. Our Word file has downloaded. Now we can open our file. We have opened our file. We click Enable Editing to make changes to it. As you can see, our PDF file is now in Word format. Compared to the first method, this method gave a more successful result. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these methods was useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.